my channel. In front of me, I have some slime. It is actually themed for Halloween. So it has orange glitter, and then also my favorite part is these little spiders. So I'm going to take all of them out and see how much there are. And while I'm doing this, like and subscribe, because if you like slime and fidgets and stuff like that, then here is the place to be, because that's what I do. So I'm going to get all the slime off of these. There we go. I put quite a few of these in here because I tend to go crazy with adding stuff to slime. So yeah. I am almost done though. There's not like a lot, but there is a lot, but not a lot. That was really confusing. Okay. Just like this. Oh my gosh, there is a lot of spiders in here. Okay, almost done. There's not much left now. Gotta feel around for extra little spiders. Nope, that's it. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spiders. Wow, 6 of these creepy crawlies. I'm going to put them back in. And a feature that I wanted to save till the end is that it glows in the dark. I'm not going to be able to show you in this video because there's lots of sunlight in here. But yeah, it does glow in the dark. It has a really nice glow to it too. And